enough to avoid the cave bump.
Thank you.